Beautiful question. Please do well to subscribe, share to the needies, and please encourage us. Please share, like, and if there is still topic that actually you are it is disturbing you one way or the other, please notify us. Press the comment button and please notify us. This is another question. JAMB 2016, question number 12, under what we are discussing: electric field intensity, electric potential, work done. Calculate the force. What are we asked to calculate? DG, data given. Calculate the force, which is F, unknown. That's one. On an electron of charge, this, we are given charge C. Check, the SI unit is C. What is the symbol for charge? Q. 1.5 times 10 raised to power minus 19. Are we together? So, which is C. What follow? Place in an electric field of intensity. What is the electric field intensity? The symbol is capital E. What are we given? 10 raised to power 5 volt per meter. I've told you how to get volt per meter. Based on E equals to V all upon D. V is mentioned in volt, D is mentioned in meter. That's why they get it. This SI unit, even if they didn't mention electric field intensity, when you check this SI unit, that's why I say cram it. Newton per coulomb, volt per meter, they are all SI units for what? Electric field what? Intensity. Now these are this, and they want us to pick the correct answer here. Now, what relates all these three parameters together? What relate them together? F, Q, and E. And please, can you? I know you have get what relate them together. Based on what relate them together? Electric field intensity. What is electric field intensity? My marker is somewhere. E. Or what relate them together? Electric field intensity. The first formula for calculating electric field intensity. What is that? It is F equals to Q. I've stated it in our episode 2 under this particular topic. Please go and cram this formula. All you need, this topic is very simple. All you need to do, cram the volume formulas and note how they have been derived. If you know how they have been derived, you'll be able to solve so many questions on this. So now we are looking for F. That's what we have to calculate. Make F the subject of the formula here. This is divided by 1. F times 1 will give us F. Cross multiply. E times Q will give us what? EQ. Now, this is the formula to use. Substitute in the parameters here. What would that be? F equals to, what is our E? 10 raised to power 5. Times what is our Q? Q is 1.5 times 10 raised to power what? Minus 19. Minus what? 19. Now, what we need to do, there is not anything like conversion here. Because already we are given in C, not UC, not MC, not NC, not PC. So you don't need to convert anything. All you need to do, rearrange. This is base and power. This is base and power. Let them join together. Why this one? Decimal, put it in place. Which will now be 1.5 times 10 raised to power 5 times 10 raised to power minus 19. Are we together? So the next thing to do here, is that F equals to 1.5. Let's do some indices approach here. This is the same base. Pick 110. What are we having? 5 here. What is the sign? Sign will change to times, will change to plus. Open a bracket. What is the sign here? Minus 19. Then F will be what? 1.5 times 10 raised to power what? 5. Plus times minus will give you what? Minus. Then we have 19. Now, what follows? 1.5 times 10 raised to power 5 minus 19 will give us what? You are having 5 naira and you are owing 19 naira. When you pay 5 naira, you are still going to, what? You'll be owing what? 14 naira. Then you must put minus there. Owing means you put minus. Having means you put plus there. Minus 14 naira. That means you are still in. Well, what will be the SI unit in Newton? I told you that it matters a lot. Let's go to an option that suits this, our calculation. Where is the option? Is it this one? Yeah, it is the first option. 1.5 times 10 raised to power minus 14. 10 raised to power minus 14. This is Newton. The correct answer is A. So let's see the last what? Last compilation on this particular. Now, this is the last calculation under this that we are going to be doing. I think I hope with these few questions you are going to, when you see a question regarding this business line, you are going to tackle it. I'm sure of that. So please don't forget to share and also subscribe. And please, let's concentrate on this question. Note, understand the question. Firstly, bring your DG, data given there. Parameters given. What and this? D.G, DG, data given. Calculate the electric field intensity. Electric field intensity. What would that be? The symbol is capital E. Unknown. That's what we have to calculate. Between two plates of potential difference. What is potential difference? I told you. Potential difference can be PD, P.D, and the symbol is V. Which is, what would that be? We are given 6.5 volts. And check, even if they didn't mention this name, check what will be the sign it, volt. When separated by a distance of this, you are given distance, and I told you that the distance, you can either use D or you use what? R. D or R. D or R. Which is what we are given, 35 centimeter. There's something that is actually fishing here. There's what? Something that is actually wrong here. These are the parameters. They want us to pick the correct answer here. What is the something that is fishing here? Check the SI unit here. This one, the SI unit is very okay. It has the fundamental SI unit. Standard data SI unit. We are asked to calculate E. But firstly, leave the electric field intensity. You have to check this D. This centimeter, this is derived unit. Standard unit. You have to put it in a standardized form. What would that be? It should be meter, not centimeter. So let's convert this. In order to change centimeter to meter, it is what? Divide by 100. So this one will now be 35 divided by what? Divide by 100. 35 divided by what? Divide by 100. What would that be? 35 divided by 100 will give us what? So 35 divided by 100 will give you what? We give you 0.35. If you still want to change it to this one, just say 35, pick this 35, all upon this one, change it to 1. Then count this one to change it to 0. You can see. So that's how I was able to sort that out. Is 0. What? 0.35 meter. So this is what we actually need. Now let's go back to this. What is the formula that join? We are asked to calculate E. E has so many formulas. But your question depends on what formula you are going to use. You know, E has F over Q. Can we use F over Q here? We can. There's not anything like force here. There's not anything like charge here. E also has what? E also has V over D. Do we have V here? Yeah, actually. And we have D here. So you use. Recall that from one of the formula for calculating electric field intensity. E equals to V over D. I've tell you that. Wherever I'm seeing V now, what will I be putting? 6.5 divided by what is D? I told you that E can also be V over R. This formula are the same thing. D can be interchanged to R. How can it be interchanged with what? D. 6.5, which is our V. Wherever I'm seeing V, I'll be substituting in the value, which is 6.5. What is our R? This is what you are going to use, not this. Please do not make that mistake. You have to convert. If it is 35 meter, you don't need to. But this is 35 centimeter, you have to. So this is what we are going to be using. Is 0.35. Now let's do the calculation aspect. You don't need to. Let me press it now. Let's do the calculation aspect, which is what? Now when we divide this, 6.5 divided by 0.35. 6.5 divided by 0.35. What do we get? 18. Press your calculator. 18.57. That is the answer that we'll get. Then what will be the SI unit? The SI unit now. So if it is, all the SI units you are seeing here, it is Newton per coulomb. It's still the same thing. Or they can use volt per meter, anyhow. So they use Newton per coulomb. You just say E now. Therefore, E now. E. This is E. E now will be what? 18.57 Newton per coulombs. Are we? Now let's go for the answer that has 18.57 Newton per coulomb, which I suspected to be what? Option A. Not even, I'm confirming and reaffirming it that it is what? Option A. These are wrong, these are wrong, these are wrong. Hope I'm communicating. That is that under that. Know that, please, if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to share to those people preparing for JAMB, and also to the WAEC class. So this video is basically for JAMB student and also for what? WAEC student. Why am I putting WAEC in? It's as a result of, JAMB, what they are testing is that did you really comprehend what you have been taught in the SSE days? SSE program, did you really comprehend it well? So that is that. My little advice for you is that note that a dream of today is a hope of tomorrow, and reality of what? Next tomorrow. There are 5 P. Worked with that P. Prayerful preparation, prevent poor performance. Try and break it down. Break it, do the tafsir of it. Expatiate what I mean by that. Prayerful, you must be prayerful. It prevents. When you are prayerful, it will be preventing you from from you having poor grade. Now you are actually what? Prayerful preparation. Prayerful preparation. You prepare. Preparation. This is what you are doing now. You prepare well. Prevent. When you are prayerful, that is the first one. And when you are preparing, don't just pray. You have to prepare. When you prepare, making how many P? 2 P. It prevents, these 2 P prevents you, which is the 3rd P, from having poor grade. At the end of the day, when you see your JAMB score, you will just be smiling. Prayerful preparation prevent poor performance from having. When you see your certificate or you see your JAMB score, you are like, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, you get it. Like, kudos to God, kudos to Allah. How we together is as a result of you are prayerful, you are preparing. It will prevent you from poor performance. These are these. Please, even it is not for the academic purpose. In life, you have to be working towards this. You want to engage in activities, you must be prayerful and you must be preparing. And it will save you from evil sides and all other things. Are we together? So that is that under that. Stay blessed, more blessing. And kudos to my, my one and only, my, in Yoruba they call it amoju ero, or agbohunsoke. Whereas in English, sorry for using the dialect language, where it is my engineering. He happens to be an engineering student, quantity survey to be precise. So it's the one that is, all the video that you are seeing online is the one that is mixing everything together, putting it to and fro. Let me use this, we are in physics class, not in chemistry class, making it in auxiliary pattern, auxiliary motion. So to and fro, the way you are seeing me do like this, stay straight. All these videos that you are watching and you are really laughing so much is as a result of what? Akorede Oluwayemi Hussein is the what? Is the secret behind the scene. So he's the one that is putting all the setting together. So I really love you and more blessing. Barakallahu fikum. And for those watching, I wish you best of luck in your JAMB exam and your WAEC class. I wish you have contact, my WhatsApp address, and please don't forget to share. Please share and subscribe to this channel if you find it very easy and both. And if my teaching you are actually like you want me to still come down to to what will suit you individually, you can contact me on my WhatsApp WhatsApp number, which is 090 60 61 35 77. 090 60 61 35 77. Akorede, I still remember my humble self, Akorede Oluwayinka Hassan at Source Academic Online Class. At Source Academic Online Class. My handle name is at Akorede Oluwayinka Hassan. So you can go there, you will be seeing the video on the Facebook, and you can visit this at Akorede Oluwayinka Hassan. Like, share, and also subscribe. Then press the notification button. Barakallahu fikum.